warm welcome from Friedrichshafen. I'm pleased to meet Professor Dr. Peter Laier, board member at ZF Friedrichshafen, responsible for operations, the region India, but also for the commercial vehicle solutions and industrial technology divisions, with whom I'm talking today about some of the topics that await us at IAA Transportation 2024. This year's IAA is actually the second since you launched your CVS division in 2022. So I think it's a good time to actually reflect on trends in the commercial vehicle industry and your solutions and your views. On the driver assistance systems, you're working also quite broadly.
Driver assistance systems is for sure a mega trend, and that will continue. Driver assistants are saving lives, and that is why it is so important as well for the commercial vehicle industry. We see them coming on the one side via regulations. More and more regulations are demanding driver assistance systems in the commercial vehicles, and on the other side by the demand of the market to increase safety. So for example, the turning assist is a classical thing, which is not in all areas in the world a legislation, but there's a lot of demand in this direction.
What's your view on the ramp up of highly automated driving?
Automated driving is clearly a business case in the commercial vehicle industry, but due to the fact that automated driving is not coming with such a momentum in passenger cars right now, we cannot derive technology from there. We have to develop all by ourselves. That is a huge challenge for us. So we are working on that, and it will come for specific use cases at first, highway, for example. Where we already have it in the market is all what is about confined areas, harbors, logistics centers and stuff like that, where you have first applications which are used already, where we are learning jointly together with our customers.
Peter, how do you expect business models in the broader industry to change with highly automated driving? Which role is ZF going to play in this really changing environment?
For sure, automated driving is giving opportunities for new business models. On the one side, you can optimize the transportation itself. You get rid of limitations in regard of driving hours to optimize TCO further. For sure, you can provide solutions with the driver shortage which is on the market to work against that. Fleet orchestration, transport orchestration is a great opportunity where we, for example, have a solution called Scalar, which we offer to our customers. It's all about as well totally new business models like pay-per-use, which could come into play in such an environment. So a lot of changes are going to happen when automated driving is about to come. But let's be realistic, it will come at first in specific use cases. We see that already on yards, where it makes a lot of sense and gives a lot of opportunities. On public roads, maybe the first use case will be on highway. And that is really a lot about taking the driver out and giving their opportunities to improve the cost situation and the TCO for our customers.
Peter, thank you so much for that insightful conversation. I'm really looking forward to see you at IAA, September 18th. There's a BCG panel on autonomous driving. And then there's also the ZF booth in Hall 21. Looking forward to see you there. Thank you.
Great. Carsten, it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for the discussion. Looking forward to see you on IAA. Thank you very much.